Rightio folks, it's another beautiful day here in Queensland and we're heading off exploring. We're heading up the coast a bit, about an hour and a half, to a town called Agnes Water, and then around the corner from there is another town called 1770. Apparently that's the only place on the east coast of Australia where the sun sets on the east coast. So that's going to be really exciting for tonight because we're going to go around a little bit of a, I don't know what to call it, an isthmus I think is the correct word, and we're going to see the sunset over the ocean on the east coast tonight. And check it all out. I believe there's a couple of boardwalks up there, some beautiful beaches, we've packed a picnic lunch, and we're going to have a great day. Can't wait.
Alright guys, welcome to Chinamans Beach. This is where we're gonna have lunch, relax for a bit, have a swim and see how we go. So first time in Agnes Waters, and I must say it doesn't disappoint at all, and we'll see how we go. So from here we're just gonna go down the beach and have a bit of lunch and see how we go. So let's go.
The rocks look like something out of the movies, Here to Eternity. This is Chinamans Beach, just out of Agnes Waters. It's a pearler of a day. Just perfect.
Yeah, it's a pearl of a day.
I've already said the word pearler a few times today. Must be the word for the day.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, look at the waves. Wow.
I think it's the word for Queensland, pearler.
Pearler.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I'll recommend anyone, if you get the chance, come to Agnes Waters, Chinamans Beach. Beautiful.
Our first of many.
Our first of many, yeah, definitely. Beautiful!
And what are we doing? We are protecting the wedding ring again.
We've lost it a few times, so. Alright, there you go. That's a wrap at Chinamans Beach. Absolutely beautiful. And you don't need to walk a long way to get to the beach. The car park is just over there, and yeah, just walk just probably less than 100 meters maybe, and you find this beautiful spot right here. It's absolutely amazing. We couldn't have picked a better day. This is beautiful. So yeah guys, if you like this video, just you know what to do, like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot, and yeah, and it shows us that you guys really like this this kind of content. So yeah, so there's the car park right there, and let's go. All right, there you go. We're just outside the Pepperbark Trail, and it's probably a K from where we were, the Chinamans Beach. So yeah, that's where it is. So here's the car park right here. Don't go too far away because there's Spring Beach over there and Red Rock. I don't know what's that, but that looks interesting. But yeah, we're gonna start the trail now. All right, there you go. Here's the trail here. It
says, welcome to Reedy Creek Reserve and the Pepperbark Forest Boardwalks. Please take a moment to read the safety information. This walking trail is not suitable for people with limited mobility or balance. Oh geez, I'm screwed. Grade 3 walking track. some bushwalking experience is recommended to complete the 400-metre trail. On the trail, you will encounter stepping stones, narrow walkways and rough surfaces. You may also encounter fallen debris, standing water, slippery surfaces and other obstacles. Do not proceed if trail is flooded. Enjoy only as far as prevailing conditions and your personal abilities safely allow. Duration 10 minutes. Oh God, it's a marathon.
Yeah, it's even better. Let's go. We're right at the Pepperbark Trail. I don't know if you can see this, but this is magical. Absolutely beautiful. Have a look at that. And you get to these infamous steps. There she goes, on the steps.
The Yumko one.
With the very long dress.
This is absolutely amazing. It's the Pepperbark forest. The forest is completely engulfed by all these ferns and creepers. It's full of cicadas making this great noise, and it's dark and it's cool. And the tracks are these wonderful logs of wood. And in some cases, if you have a look around, stepping stones. So if you have a look over here, you've got all the creepers and vines going up the trees. This is a photographer's dream. We so have to come back here when it's raining. Okay, well, we nearly took a spill. It was raining and there's going to be water everywhere and reflections, and it's going to be fantastic. It's just it feels like, I don't know, I feel like I'm in the movie set of The Hobbit or something like that. It's just beautiful. And sorry, I just thought that was a snake, but it's not. It's a little froggy type thing.
What the hell? You don't say that, woman.
This green thing just dropped out of the bush just there, and a lady had just told us that a little green tree snake had just gone up a tree near them. So I'm on snake alert. So Pepperbark Forest at Agnes Water. It's free. It's an easy walk. If I can do it, anybody can do it.
It's only 10 minutes.
And it's a 10-minute walk, but you do have to go on the stepping stones.
This is absolutely amazing. This is good. Alright guys, just like that, we're done with the walk. Easy walk, beautiful. Come out, come have a look at yourself. And what are we up to now? We're going to the town of
1770.
Oh Jesus, there you go.
We're going to Captain Cook first landed when he discovered Australia, the easternmost point.
Yep, that's where we're going. We're going to the town of 1770, and just to watch the sunset and maybe have a cheeky little beer, maybe.
We'll have another swim in the ocean too.
Maybe
the sun goes down.
Maybe another swim, or yeah, probably have dinner as well. Just watching the sunset as it goes. And the beauty about this, we're only like an hour and a half from where we are in Bundaberg. So that's really great. This is Liz's favorite spot. So that's a tick for her. And yeah, let's go. There you go, guys. We're just relaxing at 1770, small little town. And we expect this is the peak of the caravanning camping season. And there's quite a lot of
caravan parkers, chockers.
Yeah, it's pretty full on. Like you couldn't find a car park, but we just had late dinner. No,
Oh, we just
early
leftover
night
lunch.
and just relaxing here and waiting for the sunset. Waiting for the sunset. So have a look. I'll turn this around and have a look in between the. So yeah. Hey,